All right, Trump Las Vegas, this is my extended room tour of my 900 square foot, one bedroom corner suite. It's on the 58th floor. I believe this hotel has 64 floors altogether. So I have a floor that is super high up. We're gonna go over everything in this room. And yeah, let's just get to it. Let's check out the kitchen first. This is a full-blown kitchen. Okay, so you have a full-size refrigerator and a freezer. I open this up, this is nice and clean. I mean, it just gives a sign of confidence and a sign of quality when you open this up and they are clean. And that's not a guarantee, depending on which hotel you stay at. So this is ultra nice. So full-size refrigerator, freezer, microwave, oven. You have a range right here, all top of the line, all high-end stuff, stainless steel. Here's your dishwasher. Here's your sink with a garbage disposal. All right, so we are talking full-blown kitchenette here. So if you do like to be inside the room, or if maybe if you're here for business or an extended stay, you're really gonna be able to unwind and relax in this room. The countertop is elevated, it's multi-tiered, it turns into a natural bar on this end. This is where I spend the majority of my time when I have a room like this. It's just always at the bar. I did this at the Mirage, I've done this in a ton of my videos. You're just really close to the door. You can get in and out of the action very quickly. You're close to the refrigerator. You're close to the kitchen where the majority of the action takes place. You're elevated, you got outlets up there. This is probably gonna be my home base right here, this part of the room. This is an area I will not spend any time at, I promise you that. This is your formal dining area, circular table, 2 chairs. I just wanna see if this is comfortable or not. The ones in the Mirage were terrible. The ones at the Venetian were terrible. Usually these are terrible, but this is really nice. Really cool, white. It looks like exotic leather, but I'm not sure, but it looks really high end. Okay, moving on into the living room. This is probably the most beautiful part of the room. Floor to ceiling windows. Again, we're on floor number 58 of 64. Stunning panoramic views of the Vegas desert and canyons in the background. This is a huge L couch right here. It's ultra comfortable. I have flopped on this already. And again, look how large this is. So you could easily sleep multiple people in this room. It does pull out into a queen sofa sleeper. But frankly, I wouldn't even bother because this is just heaven right here. This is really, really nice. I'm typically not a fan of this material. I'm not sure if it's velvet or what it is. I'm sure it's really high end because it's at a Trump hotel. Typically, I'm more of a fan of leather, but this is really, really nice. And again, it does pull out into a sofa sleeper, but why bother? Why bother moving this ottoman, which has an area for you to store your stuff? I like that. You put a drink on there. That's really cool. But why bother moving that when you just plop on that couch? Storage if you need it. There's storage everywhere in this place. And of course, soft clothes. Love that soft clothes. Okay, check out this guest bathroom. And again, this is set up for convenience for multiple people and for the creature comforts at home. You have a shower in your guest bathroom. This is something I haven't seen in a long time. I'd have to think back or go through all my videos. I haven't seen a shower in a guest bathroom in a long time. Marble everywhere. And then we are using Notre Bissé from Barcelona. And this is not just any conditioner, this is a diamond conditioner, okay? So we have diamond conditioner, diamond shampoo, and diamond shower gel. And this actually feels really distinguished and really upscale because this is in a canister. Usually you see these in the plastic, what do you call those? Just like the plastic tubes, like this. But these are in a canister. I haven't seen canister products in a hotel in a long time. So a couple of unique things going on here at Trump. I like this indentation here that's carved into the marble. That is really nice. You have a traditional square pedestal sink, and then you just have a regular mirror in here. I would say this place is classically decorated, very classical, very traditional, very conservative. Again, there's a full-length mirror right here if you want to check yourself out before you step out into the action. And let's move on into probably the best part of this room. And it's actually not this master bedroom, which is really beautiful. I think it's the master bathroom. Look at that thing. There's so much marble in there. Here you have views into Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas, I should say. There's a view of Resort World, but there's downtown Las Vegas, and then you have sweeping panoramic views of the desert and the canyons. This bed is just like the Venetian's bed. I bet they came from the same place. They are that similar. And I typically don't like these trampoline springy firm beds, but after a night or two, they're actually not that bad. And if I was going to be here for an extended period of time, I would actually want a firmer, springier bed than a softer bed. I only like those softer beds short term, just for a few days. And then you have a chair here that is a little run down. You do get an ottoman. Actually, I don't know if I would want to sit on this. It looks like it's had some action. Yeah, it's all right. I don't know why you'd sit here, but you could. I'm noticing the front of this is padded. That is really, really interesting. And then you have a padded headboard as well. Let's see if this is attached. Let's see if they were smart and they attached it to the wall. They did not. That's dangerous. The gold theme on the exterior of the hotel is very evident. It translates into the interior as well. This is gold, yellow, canary, whatever you want to call it, but it's pretty much everywhere. And then I'm not sure what's up with this carpet. You know, I stayed here 5 or 6 years ago, and I was wondering if this hotel room was going to be updated, and I don't think it has been. In fact, I'm pretty confident it hasn't. So it's aging a little bit. It used to be considered a 5-star hotel. I think it still could be, but it's on the precipice. But it definitely needs a remodel. This carpet is something that you might see in a college apartment. You know, it just needs to be updated. I'm sure back in the day it was really nice, but it's a little worn out. You do have some really nice creature comforts, like this marble bathroom. There's marble everywhere. Everywhere. The acoustics in here, because of the marble, are amazing. Here you have a multi-tiered elevated tub. The views of downtown continue, just a huge window to kind of lose yourself while you're soaking in the tub. This master bathroom has so much space. I don't even know why you need this much space, but here it is. The gold theme continues, so you have this yellow to off-white type of wallpaper, and then you have your unified mirror, which kind of combines the dual vanity. And let's check out the shower. You kind of have that melted glass, which adds some opacity and some privacy to your showering experience. Marble everywhere. The acoustics in here are absolutely unreal. Just feels classy. So much marble. Again, you have the marble indentation right here, more of your diamond products. Let's check out this toilet room. Now, one weird thing about this toilet room is that it opens inwards. Like, why is that? This is really awkward. So you kind of have to turnstile yourself around here and get in. And once you close it, it's really comfortable in here. But this should, I feel, open towards the bathroom and not towards the toilet room. There is a phone there in case you get inspired. All right, so that's pretty much it for this room rundown of my 900 square foot, 1-bedroom corner view here at Trump. I guess last but not least, we could check out these closets, right? See what's hiding behind here. There is a robe in here. I like these really, really thin robes. I don't like the thick ones, and this is nicely done. It's multi-textured with 2 different materials. That is really cool. Trump always usually has really good robes. And then there is another closet like his and hers. Or again, if you're staying here for an extended period of time, you just put more stuff in here. This is where your ironing board and your laundry and stuff can be done or housed. All right, so that is my in-depth room tour of the Trump Hotel. Again, I just got here, so I need to be here for 3 days. I'm gonna do an experience video where I eat at the restaurant, go to the pool. So if you're interested in that, check that out. It'll probably be linked in the description below. I think this hotel offers a lot. I think this room offers a lot. I think it is a good value. If you like that condo experience in Vegas where no casino, really not that many restaurants, it's quiet. Maybe you really like to have your sanctuary here and then insert yourself into the action. Again, you have Palazzo Venetian right down the street. You have Wynn Encore right down the street, Mirage Treasure Island, and Fashion Show Mall. So if you really aren't about being in the middle of the chaos, but you don't mind some chaos or action from time to time, this may be the hotel for you. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna enjoy these views, settle in, and I will see you in the next video.